on a chair. She is looking very worried. A little girl enters the room.
Mother, why do you look so sad? Oh dear, we have no more food left. I don't know what we'll eat today. Don't worry, Mother. I will go to forest and see if I can find something to help us. Be careful, my dear.
In the forest, little girl is walking.
Hello, little girl. What brings you to the forest?
Hello, sir. I'm looking for something to help me and my mother. We have no food left.
I have just the thing for you. This is a magic porridge pot. It will cook porridge whenever you need it.
Really? How does it work?
It's very simple. Just say, cook little pot, cook, and it will make delicious porridge whenever you have enough. Say, stop little pot, stop. But remember, be careful with it.
Thank you, sir. I will take good care of it. What have you brought? Mother, it's a magic porridge pot. Watch this. Cook, little pot, cook.
And the pot starts cooking yummy porridge.
Oh, wonderful. We will never be hungry again. Stop, little pot, stop.
And the pot stops cooking.
This is amazing. We must thank the old man for his kindness. Sure, Mother. I will be sure to visit him again soon. I think make some more porridge for dinner. Cook, little pot, cook.
And the pot starts cooking again, filling up with porridge. But Mother forgets the magic words to stop it.
Oh dear, what was it again? Oh no, the pot won't stop.
And the porridge overflows, spilling onto the floor. And the little girl enters to see the porridge everywhere.
Mother, what happened? I forget the word to stop. Don't worry, Mother, I remember. Stop, little pot, stop.
And the pot stops cooking.
I guess we'll have porridge for days. And we have learned to be more careful with magic.